Welcome to year-round living on Oromocto Lake.
This is 360 Jamieson Road, a quality-built home with an in-law suite.
The kitchen features a granite-topped island, a stove, the downdraft vent, and a heat pump to keep you cool while you're cooking.
The family room is a testament to the home's character, with skylights, a sunken sitting area, and beautiful stonework.
Open concept living means you always have beautiful water views, whether you're in the sitting area
or the office space with built-in cabinetry and access to the main bathroom.
The custom built-ins continue throughout the home,
including the primary bedroom where you'll find window seating overlooking the lake.
In the primary bedroom, you'll find a walk-in closet, a propane fireplace, and an ensuite bath.
In the ensuite, you'll find a soaker tub, a double vanity, and a towel warmer.
The spacious laundry room can be accessed from both the primary and the secondary bedroom, which also has its own walk-in closet.
The oversized garage offers a studio space, plenty of storage, and 2 garage bays.
The garage also has an in-law suite.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 360 Jamieson Road,
visit realtor.ca.